Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail's default text in 2025. It's super simple, and yeah, you'll be able to set your favorite font, size, and style for all your emails in no time. First, log into your Gmail account using your usual email and password. Make sure you're on the desktop version for all options to appear properly. Once you're in, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings, then click See All Settings to access the full menu. Inside Settings, scroll down to the Default Text Style section. Here you can change your font, size, and text color for all outgoing emails. You can even make it bold, italic, or underlined if you like. Choose the font you like, pick the size that works for you, and select the color you want. Once you're happy, scroll down and hit Save Changes at the bottom. And yeah, that's it. Your new default text is ready to go. If you like, you can also set a signature or use canned responses with your new text style. This keeps all your emails consistent and professional looking. And that's all it takes to change Gmail's default text in 2025. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss any future Gmail tips or tricks.